Transformer Drawer. Introducing the Transformer Drawer. With an ingenious drawer that opens and turns into a desk using a smart hinge, this solid wood piece of furniture is perfect for those who want a practical and stylish addition to their home. Ingenious Bookcase. Introducing our multifunctional bookcase, designed to maximize space and functionality in your home. The first and last levels of the bookcase feature sliding doors, perfect for saving space and keeping your items dust-free. The middle level of the bookcase is designed to turn into a desk by folding down the door, providing you with a practical and stylish workspace. The desk also features several storage compartments, so you can keep your office essentials organized and within reach. Secret Drawer. Looking for a piece of furniture that's both stylish and functional? Look no further than this secret drawer furniture. Featuring an ingenious secret compartment, this furniture is perfect for anyone who values privacy and security. When the main drawer is in the open position, a secret compartment can be accessed using a key fob. This secondary drawer slides under the main drawer, providing you with a discreet and secure storage solution for your valuables. Hidden Cabinet. This cabinet is perfect for anyone who values both style and functionality. In addition to its storage purpose for the kitchen, it also has the role of a secret door. Unlocking is done using a remote control, providing you with a discreet and secure way to access your hidden space. Secret Drawer. This bedside table is more than just a place to store your bedside essentials. It has a secondary drawer tucked away beneath the main one. This hidden compartment is perfect for storing valuables or important documents. So, not only does this bedside table serve a practical purpose, but it also provides a valuable layer of security. Hidden Door. If you've ever dreamed of having a hidden door, like those you see in movies or spy novels, your dream can now become a reality. With hidden bookcase doors and other types of secret doors and hardware, you can bring an added layer of security and wonder to any room in your home. Spiral Cellar. For wine enthusiasts, having a dedicated space to store and age your favorite bottles is essential. But what if you don't have an existing underground cellar or basement? Enter the Spiral Cellar, the most space-saving and innovative wine storage solution. With its solid concrete construction and built-in natural ventilation, the Spiral Cellar creates the perfect temperature and humidity conditions for long-term wine maturation. Its unique underground descending spiral design is both eye-catching and practical, offering storage for up to 1,600 wine bottles. Plus, with a range of concealed or stylish glass door options, you can customize your Spiral Cellar to suit your home's design. Hidden Dresser Door. If you're someone who has always wanted an extra dresser but doesn't have the space, the Hidden Dresser Door might be the solution you've been looking for. This innovative product easily installs to any doorway, giving you access to 4 functional 10-inch deep drawers, 2 adjustable standard shelves, and 1 fixed standard shelf. Convertable Bar. If you're looking for a way to save space without sacrificing style or functionality, a convertible bar might be just what you need. This mid-century rosewood cabinet is an ingenious solution that turns into a fully functional bar, perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a relaxing drink. Secret Bathroom. If you're looking for a unique and elegant way to hide your bathroom, a secret bathroom might be just what you need. This innovative design features an elegant bookshelf that seamlessly blends in with your decor, but behind it lies a fully functional and stylish bathroom. The secret bathroom is a great way to save space while also adding a touch of luxury to your home. With its hidden design, it provides privacy and seclusion, allowing you to enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Hidden Drawer. If you're looking for a discreet and practical way to store your valuables, a hidden false bottom drawer might be just what you need. The hidden drawer is a great way to keep your valuables safe and secure, whether you're looking to store cash, jewelry, or other important items. Sliding canvas. Have an unsightly electrical fuse panel that disrupts the beauty of your room's decor? This unique solution not only adds a touch of artistic flair to your space, but also conveniently slides to hide the unappealing fuse panel. Secret pantry. At first glance, this kitchen may appear to be like any other. But don't be fooled, because it's hiding a secret. Behind a seemingly ordinary cabinet door lies a spacious pantry, perfect for storing all your food and cooking essentials. So next time you're in need of some extra storage space, take a closer look at your cabinets because you never know what secrets they may be hiding. Multiple layers closet. Are you struggling to find space for all your accessories? Consider upgrading to a multiple layers and compartments closet. With its innovative design, this type of closet allows you to store more items by utilizing all space in your closet. Paint organizer. For any craftsman, the organization is key to creating a successful workspace. And what better way to stay organized than with a sliding wardrobe designed specifically for your craft supplies? In this video, we see a sliding wardrobe that is the dream of every craftsman. With its multiple shelves and compartments, it provides ample space to organize all your paints and supplies. Hidden drawer. This ingenious space-saving idea is perfect for storing items you don't need to access frequently, such as a ladder or extra utensils. Rotary TV. Television entertainment has become an essential part of our daily lives, but having multiple devices in different rooms can be inconvenient. Why not simplify things by installing a rotating TV stand in your house design? This innovative solution not only saves space, but also creates a better space design. With its ability to 360 rotate, it can satisfy different view angles and can be installed in a porch arc or any other room. Plus, the height of the column tube can be customized to meet different space heights.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.